Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to understand nested routing in Next.js. In last video, we have learned app routing or routing concept in Next.js. Now we are going to understand nested routing. Let's start. So in last video, we have created a routes product and service. Remember that? Under the product, we have this page.tsx. Under the service, we have page.tsx. Both was working properly like this. We have product and we have service also like this. But if inside a product, suppose I have a product. Inside this product, if I pass here product 1, then it will generate error. It will say 404 because this product 1 route is not available under the product. Remember that. So how we can create this? That we are going to understand. This is called nested route. So under the product, I need to create product 1. So I say folder, I say product 1. Remember that because I want to make this as my nested route. Under this, I need to create page.tsx because this is a route, and under the route we need page.tsx, and here I say RAFCE, and under this I just copy this here. Same code from here, paste it here, and here I say it is product 1 nested route. We can say inside product like this. We can say, you see, simple one. So if I go there and you see that product 1 inside product 1 nested route inside product, it's coming. But if I say product 2, again it will generate error because it is not found. If one more nested route I want to create inside a product like product 2, so I can also create. So just click on product, create one folder, and I say product 2. Remember that. Same under product 2, create a page.tsx file because we are using Typescript. I say RAFCE here. Then inside this, I again paste the information and I say product 2 nested route inside product. So like this. Now if I go there, product 2 is working, product 1 is also working. Similarly, product 2 is working. You see. So /home under product, then product 2. So product 2 under product, this become nested route. Means route inside a route is called nested route. In this example, I have created only 2 nested routes, but you can create more, like you can say / here p2 p1, other routes you want to create, other directory you want to create inside product 2. So that you can also create. Just select product 2, create a folder, and under that create a page.tsx, and this chain can be unlimited as per your requirement. So here we have product 1 and product 2. You can take example of services, create yourself as an assignment, service 1, service 2, and display home page of that. If you do practice for this, you will understand how to create nested routes also in Next.js. You see that here is example of nested routes in Next.js. Means routes inside a routes is called a nested route. So if you understand it, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.